morning, and thank you for joining us for today's Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about the recent developments. Emily?
The dollar extended its decline in the wake of Friday's weak US jobs report, which all but cemented an interest rate cut this month, even as the yen fell after Japanese Prime Minister Shigeru Ishiba announced his resignation over the weekend. Gold surged past the $3,600 an ounce level for the first time, hitting a record high, as soft US labour data reinforced expectations the US Federal Reserve will cut interest rates next week. The Nasdaq notched a record high close, lifted by a rally in Broadcom, while the S&P 500 also gained, as investors bet the Federal Reserve will soon lower borrowing costs to shore up economic growth.
The dollar-yen pair saw moderate losses in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair saw moderate gains in the last session. The CCI is giving a positive signal. Gold prices skyrocketed in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal. Crude oil prices edged higher in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal.
With a full schedule ahead, the economic calendar features critical reports and updates, ranging from major announcements to moderate impact data. These releases may guide financial markets, so staying informed is key. These updates are not just routine, they're potential catalysts for market change. Be ready to evaluate their impact and adjust your investment plans accordingly.
We hope that you've enjoyed our Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.